Well, my name is Nosakhare Jeremiah. Peace, Eloghosa, learner of software engineering for Tech Summer 2024. In software engineering Tech Summer 2024, we learned basic coding skills like on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I want to be giving detailed information about this coding programming language. Well, HTML is an acronym for Hypertext Markup Language, and CSS is also an acronym for Cascading Style Sheet, while JavaScript is just a scripting and a programming language. Well, HTML is actually used for programming the basic structure of the web page, while CSS is used for applying beauty to the web page. So, and JavaScript is bringing JavaScript is mainly its main function is just to bring your web page to life, like to make it feel more lively and everything. So right now, I'll be going to my project. The name of my project, I built a project for a laundry business, a laundry company, and the name of the laundry company is Pench Clean Laundry and Dry Cleaning Services. This is the homepage for Pench Clean Laundry and Dry Cleaning Services. As you notice, there's a background change in my home homepage. You can see it's changing background. This is actually the work of JavaScript. And right here I have my logo for Pench Clean, and this is my header list. If I click on any of this list, it takes me to a page or a part of the page that I'm currently in. So right now I'm going to about the company. It says here, Pench Clean is a dry cleaning firm where we wash people's clothes in a unique way within a very short period of time. And how we work. So I want you guys to very notice something with me. As you can see here, if I hover my pointer on this picture, there's an overlay here.
Yeah.
This is actually the work of HTML. You can do this with HTML, and I think you can also do it with JavaScript. Yes, I wrote this text with HTML. As you can see, I did it, and the same thing here happens here. So here we wrote, it's actually how we work. Our washing is gentle on clothes, yet powerful on stain removal. And right here, our washing is always clean and smart. So right now, move to our services. As you can see here, just notice something with me. This style is actually sliding. It's like moving up and down, and not up and down, right and left. So this is actually the work of JavaScript. JavaScript did this, and it's so wonderful. As you can see, our services include washing and pressing, dry cleaning, and free pickup and delivery. So I'll go to my header and I'll go to laundries we offer. So I'll click here and it's loading. Yeah. And right now, you still see the same. I have added the same code in this part, but different pictures. And here I see I applied the same code. I applied the same code I did in my home page. It's different pictures. Here I'm having problems with your laundry. Bring it to Pench Clean. It's like a statement. So I'm moving to my code. First and foremost, I built this website for my dad. It's a laundry website because my dad runs a laundry company. So I built it for him. And right now, I'm still, let's say, doing overtime, giving it some space of 3 to 5 months. I believe that with the teachings I've learned from Python, combined with HTML and JavaScript, I believe I can make a web page that can actually take my dad's business to a further level, like actually meeting people online in my field of environment, like let's say in Enugu, because we are currently based in Enugu. Meeting people there, then that wants a laundry can come to my website, then click on wants a laundry, then to go to a form, because I've not done that yet. Then it will show you available riders around that place that can pick up your clothes, and it still give you the description of your clothes with a list of descriptions that you need and that you want to wash. So right now in my penchclean.html homepage, this is the page that I built. So right here, this is how the doc type. Doc type is usually the basic structure of a web page that you have to start with. It includes the title, which this actually shows in your on your head screen, because you can here, as you can see here, we have bench clean, laundry, and dry cleaning services. This part there, and my pointers down. This is actually the work of that title. Then in this place, you can see this link. This actually connects to my CSS page, which is this point. This CSS page here. I'm moving there quickly, but I just want to round up things here. So as you can see, this is my header image. This has to do with this image, the image that showed here. This is the header image, like my logo or something. So, and here is the list of headers you can click on, like the one I clicked to go to laundries we offer and the rest. And we have bench clean laundry. This is a text that I wrote in the home page, the home image, and the rest of it all. Here, this is my benchclean.css CSS file. As I said, CSS is mainly used for applying beauty to whatever your web page. This includes your background color, your background image, your the font color and everything, the position and how it looks like. Just makes it looks attractive and appealing to the eyes. So right here, I'm in the let me go to the top. So this is my body. This has to do with font family. This is the type of, like, the text family you want it to be. And I wrote Arial sans serif is a type of text. I'm not sure I'm going to explain that right now. Then this header, this has to do with the background color. As you can see, I can change the color. As my fellow learner said, you can change the color to any color you want. Then this color is actually for the text, and so on. This home page, this is the background page in the home. That is the one that is here. Background, the main fixed background that is here. While the overlay, this has to do with this text that comes up here, that comes up in this side and this side. Yeah,
that's what I was waiting for. Okay. All right.
So let me move to my JavaScript. I think that will be the last thing I will project on. Here is Java. Okay, yeah, benchclean.javascript. So this is my JavaScript in my home page. This is the background, like the counter background that I coded.
Okay.
This has to do with the changes of this year. I told you this is the work of the JavaScript in this part, in this area here. So,
okay.
Then lastly but not the least, this slide is the one I showed you at beneath the screen that has to do with slides and everything, that it moves left and right. That is this side and everything. So that is all for
now. Awesome. Come on, everyone. Are you still there? A round of applause for Eloghosa. A round of applause. I mean, benchclean.com should exist. It should exist. It should exist. I need to see benchclean.com. Have you checked out for that domain? It should exist. Okay. I mean, I can even do my own to buy the domain when you're done building this whole thing. I can be. I'm making it as a public promise. I would buy the domain for you.
Oh, thank you.
benchclean.com should exist. It should exist. You know, the reason why I let you really explain, because when you were presenting the site, I was seeing that there was a lot of dynamics. You know, especially when the image, you had to hover and then you see something else, and then when the image had to move from right to left as opposed to up and down, that's a whole thing altogether. And it's, you know, it's just amazing what you've been able to do. So the question I'm going to ask you, Eloghosa, is: have you been introduced to coding before now?
Seriously, principal, I have no idea of coding. I have no idea of anything. And honestly speaking, this all couldn't be possible without this platform you've given us.
Oh Jesus, 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Duplicate this project, all right? And then begin to work on another one for batch B. I would love to see, I want you to always remember what you were able to do in 3 weeks. So that you can have a before and after. Your before right now was absolutely nothing. This is your after. I can't even imagine what you guys will be able to do by next year. Honestly, if I take all these your videos and I send it to our junior internship partners, they will be so thirsty, waiting to receive you guys next year. They probably be bidding to receive you guys by next year, and they will pay money. Although your focus at that point is not money anyways, you want to really develop the skill very well, right? That's not the focus. But I mean, you can earn. That's the whole point. I'm super proud of you guys. Oh God, I'm super proud of you guys. A round of applause for yourselves. Everyone, a round of applause for yourselves.